So, database concept. The first one is table. So, when we say tables, table are collection of related data stored in a row and column. Each row represents a single record, and each column represents a child or attribute. Tables are fundamental structure of a relational database. So the next one is primary key. When we say primary key is a unique identifier of each row in a table. It ensures data integrity and prevents duplicate records. Primary key are used to establish relationship between tables. So next is foreign key. A foreign key is a field that reference the primary key of another table. So it establish relationship between tables and ensure data consistency. So foreign key help maintain referential integrity. So the next one is indexing. So indexing is a technique to improve query performance, and it's create a data structure that facilitates faster data retrieval. So indexing can significantly improve query speed, especially for a large data set. So the last is normalization. When you say normalization is the process of organizing data to minimize redund- redundancy and improve integrity. It involves dividing large tables into smaller ones and linking them through relationship. So normalization helps reduce data duplication and improve data consistency.